Hello fellow comic book worms, this is Man. Welcome to my channel. I got this box to open and some announcements to make and some shoutouts. So let's go.
Oh, what fun we're going to have together.
Got this box from Wanderlust. Comic Wanderlust, yeah. I bought a couple lot from him. You know, the Comic Wanderlust guy who did the Meet the Collector series with us a couple weeks ago. Yeah, and he sells his books on IG, Instagram. And I bought 2 lots from him, and it was already a good deal. But he combined the shipping for me and not charged the shipping for the second lot I got, so that was a huge save for me. Alright. Okay. Whew. That's a good lot here. Lots of forms around the book. About the announcements. Well, I'm on the road again. On the road again. I wish I could sing the rest.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. There you go.
And then I'm at my dad's house. He sold his house and we got it empty by November 7th. So I'll be coming back. I'm gonna load up stuff on a truck and then I'll get on the road again. So I'm going back home to Virginia, go to Baltimore Con, then fly back here and load up all these junk, not junk, but things I couldn't sell on Facebook, things that we want to keep, you know, that things that my mom used to value, you know, and give some stuff away to families and friends that's living here in the Oklahoma City area. And stuff like that. So coming Friday, I'm gonna have I'm gonna already call it sponsor Diamond Princess's channel, and she's gonna open some cards for me, promote my nephew's channel for me, and I'm gonna give away stuff like a sponsorship to Diamond Princess, because when you go to her channel and become a sponsor, you will see I think you will see a big boost in your channel count, sub count, and I'm gonna be giving that away. I'm gonna to part of my giveaway for that, my 500 sub. I finally made 350, I think. So first prize was that J. Scott Campbell stuff, the mystery box, and I'm gonna go ahead and collect those names and you know, those people who participated in that. I'm gonna be collecting those names. I'm a little busy right now, so I'm not doing it now. So people have still a chance to go back through my videos and try to find those places where you could try to put your name into the J. Scott Campbell mystery box. From next 50, which is to next 400, I'm giving away Diamond Princess's sponsorship. So that should be pretty good. And then I do have some other giveaway in mind. for children of the comic book community. So giveaway ideas. Anyway, let's start looking at these books. Oh, oh, these tapes. Gotta be careful with these tapes. Oh no, man. Woo! Love seeing 70s books. And of course, one of my favorite characters, Master of Kung Fu, Shang-Chi. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Doctor Doom with the Shang-Chi. Pretty neat stuff. Yeah, but Shang-Chi lot from Comic Wanderlust. So, 40 cents. That's when I stopped buying comic books. So, yeah, cool. Beautiful. $50. I never bought, I mean, yeah, I don't think I bought any 50 cents. Dollars, definitely haven't. I guess he has two of these. Is this the last one? 125? Come to the end. He's, wow. There you go. Cool. Looks like this is a new book. New. Rest in peace, Chadwick Boseman, Shang-Chi. I don't think I have this particular issue. I think I have that issue #1, but I don't think I have that cover. This looks thick. This looks really thick. Return of Shang-Chi. Okay. Cool. Oh, I think I got this one in a British version, UK version. In one of those weekly magazines, but it has one of those molds. So anyway, now I got the American version. Oh, there's another Shang-Chi. Oh, Alex Ross copy of Shang-Chi. Cool. Another one. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to Friday. In between time, I don't think I'm gonna have anything up because I'm on the road mostly. I'm on the road. I'm on the road. Tapes are enemy of comic books to me. Hey, Silver Knight, Moon Knight, isn't it? Silver Knight, Moon Knight. Moon Knight and Kung Fu. Or Shang-Chi. I don't recall that cover. Alright, that's it. I think that's one lot. Thank you, Wanderlust, Comic Wanderlust. Appreciate the great deal. Giving me discount on the shipping and all that good stuff. Again, guys, I'll provide his IG account Here's some awesome deals. You should go get some. This is lot 2, not number 2. Lot number 2. I don't know what this is. It was some random lot. There was a couple books that I want from that lot, so I got it. I think each of these lot cost me $35 each. Nova, number 1. Cool. I have the original Nova number 1. Rocketeer, first issue, $1 book. Now I normally try to stick to my 70s books, but it's coming, Power Pack. I never heard of this one. Issue number 1. Probably will go to my one and done box to see if it will be one and done or not. Hey, that looks cool. All shiny and stuff. Foily. I need that. Freedom Surfer music going on. Foily. Marvel. Transformers. Cool. Cool cover. I got this one already, but I think it might be in better shape than mine. Cool. Micronauts. Ultra Go. I don't know. Yes. Some of these gonna go to mystery box that I make. Guardian Galaxy. I think it's reprint. Astonishing Tales. But it's a 70s reprint, so yeah. Cool. First appearance reprint. First appearance of Guardian Galaxy reprint. Huh. What is this one? That looks another 40 cover or embossed cover with all the shiny goodness. Well, this is one of the books that I wanted from this pile. Another shiny cover, another 40, another embossed. Secret Defenders, number 1. Tapes, I'm gonna tapes. Get away, tapes. Another Secret Defender, number 12. Another 40 shiny cover. Not 40, but I guess selective areas are 40. Quasar, never seen this one. $1 book. I don't know if that's a Bronze Age or not. $1 books are. Rom and Space Knight, number 38, with the Kung Fu in it. Excuse me. Be right back. Hey, this is the book. This is one of the books I wanted it. Yeah, got that one. Another book that I really wanted it from the pile. I know these are not, big key issues or anything like that. But, and I don't know why Battlestar Galactica is not as popular as it should be. But anyway, that's one of the books I wanted it. X-File. Topps Comic, number 1. One and done pile. In my one and done pile. And I have this copy myself. The 40 stuff. Deadlock, one of my favorite characters. What is this? Curls. There's a lot of tapes around this. I've got to be really careful, so I'm gonna be careful about this one. That's my last issue. Anyway, that's it. That's all I got. I'm gonna make one more video, I think. I wasn't gonna make any, but as I was sitting here, I need to make one more video promoting Diamond Princess sponsorship. and how I'm giving that away, and also make a list of people who could possibly win the J. Scott Campbell's in a couple days when I get back home. So that's the plan. That's the plan. Anyway, again, thank you, Comic Wanderlust, for all the good stuff. I'm gonna pack these back up into a short box and pack up my van and hit the road. Till next time, I'm out.